Hi, bro. Who are you? You don't know who I am? I have absolutely no idea about you. Then let me tell you my identity. If you don't know about me, then absolutely I have to tell. Of course, that will be good. If you wanna give your identity, you can give. And that's good. Knowing someone's introduction identity is good. Yeah, of course, I'm gonna give you. I am actually a teacher. I'm actually an English teacher. I'm not a teacher professionally. I'm a teacher. I just try to teach the children's English at home and teach my students spoken English at home and at my YouTube channel. I actually have a YouTube channel named English Entertainment. So if anyone you have but want to learn English, you can just inform them to visit my YouTube channel to learn English and tell them to subscribe my channel. So my name is MD Ashraful Islam and I have three siblings. Oh, that's great. You teach the people English and your YouTube channel. Of course, I will tell some of my friends, I will inform some of my friends to visit your YouTube channel and to subscribe and to learn English from your YouTube channel. And that's good. And keep it up and keep going with your YouTube channel. Have you got my identity now? If you have got, never ask me again about my identity. And thank you for asking me about my identity. And yeah, if you have someone to learn, want to learn English, you can inform about my YouTube channel. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to just stop my conversation right now. I have got thanks for beautiful conversation and see you again and see you again for it might be for English learning purpose. I will take some of my friends to you and you can teach them English. Okay? Yeah, of course you can take to me any of your friends to learn English from me. I am always in YouTube channel or I am always at home. If you have someone just wants to learn English, you can just take to me. I'll try by my best to learn English. And thanks. And where will you go right now? Actually, going to my home back. I actually went to market for buying some vegetables. Right now, I'm going along the road, and I've seen you and had a nice conversation. Thank you, and keep going. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.